There are three types of stationary points. Type 1 is the point of inflection. It comes with two different shapes. For the first one, which I label it as point 1, the curve slopes up, stop at the point 1, and continue to slope up. The other shape, which I label it as point 2, the curve slope down, stop at the point 2 and continue to slope down. Type 2 is maximum point. The curve slopes up, stop at the stationary point, which I label it as point 3, and slope down. We say this curve has a set face. Type 3 is minimum point. The curve slope down, stop at the stationary point, which I label it as point 4, and slope up. We say this curve has a smiley face. After you have found the stationary point, naturally the next question is how to determine the nature of stationary points. We have two ways to find the nature of the stationary points. Method 1 is first relativity test. This method observes the gradient behavior when it passes through the stationary point. In order to do it, we must recall Set 3E math for the chapter of coordinate geometry for the linear slopes. This is the positive slope. Positive slope means that when the x increase, the y increase. So it means the gradient is positive. This also means that the dy dx is positive. In general, we can use the linear slope to represent the tangent line of the curve. Now I'm going to apply the linear slope to the curve. And we can observe that the dy dx is positive. Come back to this. This is a negative slope. Negative slope means when x increase, the y decrease. So it means the gradient is negative. And we also have the dy dx is negative. Same thing. I'm going to apply this linear slope to the curve 2. And we can observe that the curve 2 has the negative gradient. So in conclusion, it means that for the point of inflection, dy dx does not change its sign. Same thing I'm going to apply to the curve 3. For the point 3, you can observe that dy dx is positive, followed then by negative. So it means that for maximum point, dy dx change from positive to negative. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for the last curve, which is the minimum point. And you can observe that for the last curve, we have the dy dx negative followed by the positive. So it means that for minimum point, dy dx change from negative to positive.